Go get the bird. Catch him. Catch him, Huey. Get him. Go get him. Go catch that bird, boy. Catch that bird. Go get him. Go get him and bring him to Papa. You go get him? Huey. There you go. Go. Go get him. He's going in the water. Yeah. You gotta go get him. Okay? Alright. There he goes. He's going to get the bird. Go, bird. He's going to get him. He's going to get him. The bird is going in the water. The bird said, okay, kid, let's see if you come over here. Come back. Leave the bird in there. There he goes. Huh? Come here, boy. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Get him, bird. Get him, bird. Go get that bird, boy. The bird handler. Okay, let Pop help you. Pop gonna make the bird come your way. Okay? Okay, come on, let's go. The bird's trying to get you in that water. Here you go. All right, this is the end of this. And there's... Oh, boy, you're trying to catch that bird for real. Come here. No. No. I get him. I get him. I'm going to get him. Come here. Say, did you see the bird? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Good job, okay? All right. We're signing off. And the winner is the bird.